Today is Saturday. I just finished a great leg workout. It was crazy. My legs feel like noodles now. And now I'm here at my favorite place, Cilantro. I have a breakfast burrito. I'm gonna show you guys. Why are you drinking my drink? Weirdo. Guys, see that juice? Oh my god, this burrito is bomb. There's potatoes and eggs and carne asada. So bomb. Alright. Okay, so we just had dinner and I got this box from Try Treats, so we're gonna try some treats. This week's treats are, or this month's treats are from the Philippines. Well, we tried these right here, the dried mangoes, and it was good to me, but I feel like because it's like coated with sugar, it's not really necessary. The sugar wasn't necessary, you know? Okay, so there's that. The first thing on the list is sweet corn by Regget. So sweet corn.
Smells exactly.
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, yeah. Smells like corn pops.
It's like corn puffs. That's really good. Okay, the next one is cheese ring by Regget, the same brand. Cheese ring.
Not what I expected.
It's like sweet cheese. Sweet cheese.
Sweet. I like it though.
You like it? I like it
It's a
too.
little long.
Adobo boy. Bawa ba. Adobo boy bawa.
I don't know.
Okay, here. I think this is it. Yeah, adobo flavor. Boy bawang cornic. So I'm guessing that it's a corn snack, but with adobo seasoning. Tastes like corn nuts. Yeah.
Everything's corny.
That's all they have over there.
He's stupid. They got beautiful ass beaches.
I'm just joking. Max honey lemon candy. We tried the lemon. Was it? Yeah, we tried the lemon candy already.
The menthol.
Oh yeah, they called it menthol candy. It was just like mint, like cough drops. Dried mangoes. We did that. Mango pineapple balls. That sounds like that one song. The way I said it. You know what song I'm talking about?
Pineapple?
Yeah.
I have pineapple.
Because I said, it just sounded like it. Mango pineapple balls. Right?
No. It just says pineapple.
Okay, let's try that.
You don't get flagged for this video.
Why?
Because my ass was out.
Was it?
Yeah, I thought you couldn't see me at all.
Here.
You fucking jerk.
False.
I do good.
I like it.
Could use a little spice though.
Yeah, I think it would be better with I think this would be better with tamarind.
Yeah.
The next one is the ube cake. Ube cake? Ube cake.
Ube.
It's a little dry.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of dry.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's okay. If it was like a little bit more hairy, right?
It feels like that that green sponge that they put plants in.
Oh yeah. I get what you're saying. Roadhouse barbecue chips by Jack and Chill.
Jack and Chill, like CHIL.
No, Jack and Jill.
I was like, damn, that's bad corny. And it turns out it's just you.
Okay. Barbecue chips.
No.
What?
I don't remember my Amazon password.
What are you trying to buy?
pH testers.
Here, baby. This is Roadhouse barbecue flavored potato crisp.
Big ones. Like it.
I love it.
Like a bagged Pringle.
Yeah. What was your favorite?
I don't know. I liked all the corn things.
Same.
I'm gonna go the corn nuts and that.
Barbecue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The adobo boy. Did they say it?
No. But wow? No. But wang.
One of those.
I like those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like corn snacks.
You would.
Why?
Because you love me.
Why?
Because I'm corny.
The corniest.
The corn is just a big, round ball of corn.
Yeah, this one's my favorite. Alright, so today is Sunday, and I just finished a back workout. Didn't record it just because, I don't know why. I forgot, I think. I wasn't thinking of recording it, but right now I'm heading to the, it's called the Vegan Street Fair, and it's every Sunday in North Hollywood. So yeah, it's called Vegan Street Fair. I'm gonna visit Veggie Fam because they have a new item on their menu. They're known for their chicken sandwiches, like their vegan chicken sandwiches, but they just made like a new crispy chicken sandwich. So I'm excited to try that out. So we're waiting in line for our order, and Rick already got 2 cookies.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. And
That ain't no proof.
you're stupid. But we got what is it? Another sweet? Like more sweets?
No, it's a salad in the shape of a brownie.
A salad in the shape of a brownie.
Yeah, it's vegan. Come on, man.
You're so stupid. Okay, so we got some brownies, and we got some. No, just
a brownie.
just
and
one brownie.
a Pop-Tart.
And one
To
Pop-Tart.
share.
And why did you get the Pop-Tart?
Because it's called the Strasberry.
Raspberry.
Strawberry and raspberry vegan Pop-Tart. I have to try that.
Yeah, everything here is vegan. I'm excited. Hopefully it's good. Alrighty. This is the Veggie Fam. What do they call it? It's like the crispy spicy chicken. It's definitely more crispy. Like the little extra kick with the jalapenos in there. It is delicious. Do you like it?
I took the jalapenos out. And the red peppers, they try to sneak those in. Oh, that would be.
So I'm at Universal Studios right now, and we're just in the parking lot, but this view though, it looks so good. Look, there's the tram right there. Like, this is just a nice little view to have. It's so romantic, right? Alright guys, so today I am doing a photo shoot. It's for Timeless Vapes. See, Timeless, I'm wearing their stuff right now. I don't know why I look yellow, but let's go look at the space that we have. Wow. This the photographer. I love it. I love it so much. It's not my turn to shoot yet, but I'm just like getting dressed right now. My hair did, makeup did. The lighting in here is not flattering. Gross. Alright, so this is kind of like a streetwear look. Yeah, a streetwear look. It's just like a chill little vibe. Let me show you my whole outfit. There you go. And then these big ass Vans. These aren't mine, but they wanted to put me in these. My feet actually comes up to like right here. Yeah, like this is my big toe right here. And then I'm just sitting next to the heater because bitch is a code. Oh, and also I have a tutorial on how to do these big pigtails on my channel right now. It's like labeled like big volume pigtails, something like that. Like you'll see, it's like my recent ones, you know? Alright, so this is the second look. It's just the hoodie and I have... Ooh, I can't. Okay, let me see. Flip. Alright, I got... These are actually jeans. They look like boots, but they like connect over here. Yeah, and they're pretty cute, you know? Alright, so I finished eating right now. And I totally forgot to vlog. But I have a little something here. I have some tofu left. A little rice. Some sauce. And I got it to go. Like if I eat it later, I'll show you guys what I got. I got like this barbecue beef. We're at Palms right now, so the barbecue beef is amazing. It comes with this like spicy sauce. But yeah, I'm with Caitlin. This is my housemate, right? Yeah, that's what you consider it, a housemate. But right now we're technically homeless because we have like nowhere to go because our landlord like fucked up our plumbing and we don't have water. So I can't take off my face and I can't shower my body and I can't put on my face tomorrow. So I just have to pack my shit and go to Rick's house. I just want to appreciate this really quickly because Rick folded it so nicely. And he has like all my toiletries here because it was an emergency sleepover. Alright, so I'm here at a tasting at 8 Korean Barbecue, and I've been here before. I actually made a YouTube video. I'll link it down below. This time we are trying their burger, their newest burger. I'm really excited because I saw that the burger has kimchi in it, and I love kimchi in anything, so I think that'll be really, really good. Ooh, that bulgogi looks so good. So this place is usually for like they have this big plate of 8 flavors of pork, and I've tried that already. So this time we're gonna try their bulgogi, so their beef selection. I don't know, but it looks really, really good right now. Like the marinade. Hello, happy Friday. So I just went in for a tasting at this place called the Meat something. I'll put it on the screen, but I don't know why I didn't want to really vlog, because I just wanted to just enjoy myself really. But if you guys are interested in looking at the food, I think it's still going to be on my Instagram story, since I'm going to be posting this vlog tomorrow, so it'll still be live and available for you guys to see. Yeah, so now I'm just at a place where there's like a whole bunch of just food stuff. I'm gonna go to a boba shop, yeah, a boba place, and yeah, let's see. Fuck, I hate being in the elevator by myself. Like, it's actually really scary. It gives me anxiety because of all the fucking scary movies I watch. I don't know. It's just so scary. Okay, let me text this guy and see. So my friends aren't here yet. Just went in there looking like a loser with nobody, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for him, wait for my friend. But in the meantime, I think I want to look for a to-go place to get Rick something to eat, because he haven't had food yet, but I don't know what to get, so we shall see. My makeup looks bomb. Hey. Alright, so I'm home now, and I'm just eating some I'm just eating some worms. Gonna end worms.
You and your worms.
Leave me alone. I'm a fob. Okay. Yeah. Got some food. Got some boba. Got some worms. And I'm gonna end my night. You guys can find more of me on Instagram and Twitter at Twaydabae, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.